Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website in Canva Pro. First, log into your Canva Pro account and navigate to the Websites section. You will find thousands of professionally designed templates ready for customization. Select a template that best suits your business or personal brand. Remember, a strong visual foundation is crucial for attracting and engaging your audience. This initial step sets the stage for your entire online presence. Now, let's dive into customizing your website's design. Canva Pro offers a powerful drag-and-drop editor, making it incredibly simple to personalize every aspect. Upload your unique brand assets, including logos and high-quality images, to maintain consistency. Experiment with different font styles and color palettes to create a visually appealing and cohesive look. You have complete creative control to make your website truly yours. With your design taking shape, it's time to add your compelling content and interactive features. Write clear, concise text that communicates your message effectively. Incorporate strong calls to action to guide your visitors. Easily embed contact forms, social media links, and even videos to enhance user engagement. Canva Pro allows you to build a dynamic and functional website without needing any coding knowledge. Finally, it's time to publish your brand new website for the world to see. Before publishing, always preview your site on different devices, like mobile phones and desktops, to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Canva Pro offers options to publish with a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain. Once published, share your website's unique URL across all your platforms to reach your target audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.